Hello, in this video you will learn about reporting speech and reported speech and rules of changing direct and indirect speech. So let's start. What is reporting speech? The words which are present outside the inverted commas is known as reporting speech. For example, he says, I am ill. In this example, he says is present outside the inverted commas. So it is known as reporting speech. What is reported speech? Reported speech means the words which are present inside the inverted commas is known as reported speech. For example, he says, I am ill. In this example, I am ill is the reported speech. Here is another depiction of the reported speech. What are the rules for changing direct into indirect speech? There are three types of changes we do for the conversion of direct into indirect speech. Number one is the changes in the personal pronouns. And the number two is the changes in the tenses of verbs. And the number three changes in some other words. In this video, I will tell you the first rule of changing direct into indirect speech. The first rule of changing is the change in the personal pronouns. I already told you about the pronouns, what are pronouns and what are the types of pronouns. In the indirect speech, you use the personal pronouns. How you can use it. So here we go. First person pronouns always change according to the subject of reporting speech. For example, he says, I am ill. This is a direct speech. He says that he is ill. This is the indirect speech. So here, I is the first person pronouns. It will change according to the subject of reporting speech, that is he. Second person pronouns. What are the second person pronouns? That is you. You is the second person pronoun. So second person pronoun change according to the object of reporting speech. What is the object of reporting speech? In example, that is me. For example, they say to me, you cannot help him. Here, you is the second person pronoun, so it will change according to the object of reporting speech, and object of reporting speech is me. They say to me that I cannot help him. This is the indirect speech. And this you is the second person pronoun, so it will change according to the object of reporting speech, that is me. You must remember the rules of changing the direct into indirect speech. And the third one is there will be no changing in the third person pronouns. Who are the third person pronouns? He, she, it. These are the third person pronouns. In any example of direct and indirect speech, you see the third person pronouns, you will not change any changing in the indirect speech. In the next video, you will learn about the second rule of changing direct into indirect speech. So stay tuned.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.